Okay, this is part 2 of a video I'm putting together for overcoming fear of dentists. It's part of a conversation I had online this afternoon. So we're dealing with more intense fear in this particular video. So on a scale of 1 to 10, this is dealing with fear that's 5 and above. So if that's your fear level of dentists, this will help to bring it down a little bit. It might not clear the whole thing, but it will bring it down to a more manageable level. And as with the previous video, I'd like you to just notice your breathing and focus on your breathing. Breathe in and breathe out, and just count 1 on the in breath, 1 on the out breath. Then on the next breath, count 2 as you breathe in and 2 as you breathe out. So when you've done that for a little while, I'd like you to do the following visualization. I want you to imagine you're in a meadow or you're in a room full of your favourite flowers. And then breathe in white light and just create in your mind, or just say the words in your mind: I have a ball of healing white light around my neck, shoulders, throat, mouth and nose. I'd like you to wrap the light around your neck and your mouth as if it's cotton wool. So it feels light and it's fine cotton wool type of texture. And just as you're breathing in, breathe in this light. Breathe in the texture of the light. Breathe in any kind of sensation you get, or any symbol you might get in your mind as well. If your mind gives you a symbol for healing your fear of dentists, then just as you're breathing in the white light, breathe in that symbol. And if you haven't already got a symbol, then just take a moment and ask for a symbol for healing of fear of dentists. An example of the type of symbol that you might use for this is the mental emotional healing symbol for Reiki, which is a rough sketch of a nose, a mouth and an ear on the outline of a face. So if you can just imagine that in your head, just imagine the outline of a face. You're seeing the nose, the mouth, the chin and the ear and the eye. And just imagine that face is smiling at you. You can see the teeth, and the teeth are healthy in the face that you're looking at. And the face is confident, the face is aware, and the face is natural. If you feel any sensations around your head, just notice what you feel. There might be slight tingling, you might feel heat, or you might feel cold, or you might feel other sensations. But just notice what you feel as you focus on this symbol of healing of your fear of dentists. And I'd just like you to say in your mind or out loud, if you're in good space to say out loud: I'm looking after my teeth. I'm aware of the issues, and I am dealing with the issues confidently and getting help with any dental issues I have. So you can use that as an affirmation. Use it as a positive statement of intent. Okay, and then just relax. Rub your palms on your legs and just rub your hands together and just wake yourself up again from the visualization. Notice the room that you're in and just stretch a little bit and relax. And now just rate your fear level. See if it's come down a little bit. And if it has, then the visualization's been successful for you. And you might want to leave it a day or two and then do the visualization again, watch this video again, and I'll obviously talk you through it again. And then we'll see if we can bring the fear level down a little bit more. And if your fear level has come down, then leave me a comment under the video and let me know the effect that the video had and the healing session had. And tell me your fear level and where it's gone to. And then we've just got some evidence that the video is working and that it's helping people to make progress and to overcome their fear. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your feedback in advance, and I'll see you again soon.